today's video, we're going to be looking at the Glock 17 Gen 4. This particular one sticks a little bit. So we're going to take it apart, see what we can find inside, and see what we can do about it. So we've got the Glock 17 Gen 4. This is by Cybergun, made by KWC. It's the same one as the Umrex and all those other guns. So we're going to strip it down. First thing, take the magazine out. Cock the gun. Now pull these two tabs down. Pull it back and then forward. So you've got your lower receiver and the top piece. The spring can come out like so. So with the barrel, just push it forward, pull it up, and that'll slide straight out like that. So this piece, that's like the inner barrel. That's sticking in there a little bit. I don't know if that makes any difference, but I'm going to lubricate it all up. And you can see marks on here of contact points where it's sticking a little bit. So I'm going to just use some Vaseline on that. And the spring's sticking as well. You've got like this main spring and the little spring there. And it's sticking on this plastic piece. So I'm going to put some Vaseline on that and see if I can get that to free itself up a little bit. So I'll do that first. Get my trusty tub of Vaseline out. See that? On there. I'm just going to go for a little bit more. So that's not too bad now. Just wipe off any excess. Now this piece here is the actual barrel. I don't think it should move in there, which is why it's got this shim on the end of it. But it's quite sticky in there, so I'm going to just put a little bit on the end of it. It doesn't need to move, but that can go in there. On the bottom here, you've got your adjusting screw for your hop up. I've not played with that yet, but I will do when I get it outside. It's far too hot today. I can't go out there. So that goes into this piece. And this slides in there. So I'm going to put some Vaseline on all the slides. Then I'm going to pop that back in. So barrel goes in there first. That piece just sits in there. I'll put that back in a minute. So put the barrel in, drops down, goes back into there. That sits at the top there. Like so. Now the spring can go back in. Like that. So now I'm going to lubricate all these slides where it slides onto the lower receiver. So I'll get some on there to start with. Stay at that. Get that in there like that. And then on the back here as well. So now I should be able to see that's sticking a little bit on there. We'll put it back together. So just put it back on. So there it is, magazine's out, cock it, pull them back and they're straight out. Now I've lubricated all in there with the old Vaseline, all the slides, and it seems to have done the trick. So I'll just line that up. Job is a good one. So we field stripped the Glock 17 Gen 4, and I think we've fixed the sticky nature of its operation. There is a hop-up adjustment on it, which I'll go through when we get outside, but the weather at the minute, it's gone from really struggling to get to about 15 degrees to, the car said 31, 32, something like that, but it's even hotter out in the sun. It is Scotchio. Yeah, so sorry it's not a bit of shooting, because I know a lot of you do appreciate a bit of shooting on the range, but field strip the Glock 17 Gen 4. Now this is by Cybergun, which is KWC, same as Umarex and all the others. Fantastic bit of kit and very real. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a big thumbs up if you did. Subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.